Respectable audience, is 4 minus 6, it's 2 minus 5. Most people just calculate in their heads and they will reach the result 6. But remember that 6 is not correct answer. How they got 6? Because their method is in this way that 4 minus 6 will be equal to minus 2, and here they will get minus 3. When they multiply these two numbers, they will reach 6. But I have already mentioned that this answer is wrong. So you are shocked to hear that 6 is not correct answer. If 6 is not correct, why it is not correct, and what we have to do to get it correctly. Here is subtraction, here is multiplication, here is subtraction. So this subtraction is wrong, this subtraction is wrong. We have to multiply first according to PEMDAS parenthesis, exponent, multiplication, division, addition and subtraction. So multiplication will be minus 12, here is 4 and here is minus 5. Now it is simple. We have just to move from left to right. We will get minus 8 and minus 5, which will be solved to get minus 13, which will be accurate and exact answer for this tricky math problem.